Hello and welcome. Today we'll discuss about how to choose country of study, or I say what is the most suitable country I should study in. Which country should I study abroad? How to choose the country in which you should study from. There are so many factors that affect your country of study, and what is suitable to A might not suitable to B. What is suitable to C might not be suitable to D. For example, what is suitable to me as a mathematician, as a statistician, might not be suitable to someone that study English language, that wants to go to digital media, creative and the likes. And it might not be suitable to someone into journalism. What is suitable for someone that wants to study courses related to biotechnology might not be suitable to someone that wants to study journalism. So, and what to look for in a country is different from A to B, is different from Chioma to Yomi. So you have to ask yourself, what do you want? What you want is the most important thing that will determine which country you have to study in, that will determine the country that is most suitable for you. What do I mean by this? Oh, I am a student, I want to study abroad, and my course of program is mathematics. My background is applied mathematics, and also I'm looking at studying programming, mathematics, statistics, data science rather, and I'm looking at learning into machine learning, researching about machine learning. So for me, I still have other things I want to look for about my topic. I still need to look for other factors that might not even be related to mathematics. Oh, other factors like I'm married, I have children. Do I want to study abroad with my spouse? Do I want to go alone? Do I want to go with my kids? Oh, what I'm looking to study after what I'm looking to do after my program. Oh, I'm looking to work in so areas. So there are so many things that will determine the country in which you want to study from. Okay, after my study, I love a country that has good immigration program for me to become a permanent resident, in the long run to become a citizen. And so many other factors will be like, oh, what are the funding that are available for me in this country? Do I have money? Do I have opportunity to fund myself based on scholarship? Does the country offer tuition-free program for everyone? So many factors that you need to consider. Oh, I need to minimize the money during the application process. I need to minimize funding opportunity, or to maximize rather my funding opportunity to all the fundings I could get. So this factor are things you need to consider based on individual preferences and based on what you want. For example, someone that studied journalism and into the digital media, someone that studied English language, and say, oh, I'm going to an EU country to study abroad. The person will have some deficiency, even without considering all those factors I've mentioned. With deficiency in the sense that you are going there to study English language and the likes, and the country you are going to, English is not their primary language, it's not their official language, even though the citizens there speak English language, but their official language is different from English language. For you to even practice, you know that it is off for you, because for you to get into their journalism, for you to get in their mass communication program, you have to speak their basic language. Even if they offer you 100% funding. Even if they promise you, oh, you will get job, you know that for you to be at your maximized potential, for you to be able to maximize everything you have in you, you have to learn the local language. You will know that for sure. Even if you have full scholarship, full funding, you cater for your traveling expenses, your accommodation, you are being given stipend, you are being given all those things. Only if you are using that country for as a transition. Oh, immediately I finish my program here, I'll move to another country, or I'm going back to my home country. That would be a different case. But staying there might reduce your potential. Especially if you are not able to learn the language faster, or you are not even able to learn the language at all, because it might be difficult for you to study as you are studying your program and still look for opportunities to learn the language. You can't give both your 100% at the same time. Mind my word. So many factors everybody will consider. Oh, in this country you can't bring Mr. A is single, and he find funding in a country that he cannot bring his spouse. Remember, he's still single, so he can decide to say, oh, let me go. As a student, they don't require me, I'm not married, even though as a student I can't bring my spouse. You might be like, oh, as I'm married, I find funding opportunity in this country. When I finish my program, I'm 100% sure if the job is lucrative, is high, any paid job, and if I go to study there, I cannot bring my spouse and kids while studying. I can even bring my spouse and kids, but my spouse will not be able to work during that program. Do I have plans for them? Do I have plans for their living expenses? So many factors you have to consider before you even choose that country. I'm not here to tell you that, choose country A, choose country B, choose country C. No, I'm here to say, ask yourself, what do I want? List what you want. I want full funding. I want to be able to bring my spouse. I want to be able to bring my children. I want to be able to have high-end paid job when I finish. I want to be able to integrate into the system. I want pathway to permanent resident, pathway to citizenship when I finish the program. And you look at your current situation. Can I do it? Do I need to go first? Do I need to bring my family in maybe when I have my job? So many things you have to consider. And because everybody is rushing here, does not mean you rush there. And so far everybody is going certain way, does not mean you should go that way. And I don't have enough money to, even if I find full scholarship that cater for my tuition, I still need money for my expenses. Maybe you don't even have full funding, you have like a partial funding, or you even have funding that just cater for the whole tuition fee, but you need money for your living expenses. You need to still work to do some other things. So you need to know, even which country can I go to be able to do this? Do I need to bring others my other relatives? Do I need to finish my program, get job before I bring my dependents? So many factors to consider when choosing a course of college. And most importantly, what is important to you is what you will consider. What is important to you, the most is what you consider, and that will be what is suitable for you. If you know, at the end of this program, if I find this scholarship opportunity, after this scholarship opportunity, I must return back to my home country. The question you should ask yourself is, do I want to return back to my home country? Even if I don't want to return back to my home country, in that country, is there opportunity for me? Even if they state it that you have to return back to your home country, you have to return back to your home country. If you know, okay, they asked me to return back to my home country. So before I finish, I don't have the money, but I need this opportunity. Let me grab this opportunity. Why there? Let me look for another opportunity somewhere. I'm getting back to my home country. I'm going to another place to secure this opportunity that I want. The reason why you are taking that one is because you know you need that opportunity and you don't have money for that opportunity, and you know your end goal. So you will be there, you would have been able to plan ahead and see what you want to do. But if you can't do that, I don't know how you'll be able to choose your most suitable country. Because reason why you should have to choose the most suitable country for you is because so that you won't say, oh, everywhere is not easy. Everywhere if you even finish the program, you don't know what to do with it. Oh, I'm not getting hybrid job. And it's not all country that is even suitable for all courses. I think I've mentioned that earlier. So in order to not to make this video long, you still have to know what you want and other factors. So basically, as I've said in summary, the factors you have to look for is funding, the required program, the required time for the program. How do I want to bring my family? Does it have my dependents? Does it have pathway to good immigration program? Do I have opportunity to get good job, high-end paid job after the program? Even this program, if I'm studying it, are there opportunity for me to learn other things, internship opportunities? So many things. The reason why I'm saying this is to not to learn from your own mistakes, but to be able to prepare you ahead. So this is all I have to say in this video, and thank you for listening. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.